Hello everybody, welcome back to another video to show me Ross tracking. I hope you had a very good day. I did too. In this video, guys, we're gonna be trying to Charlie, but the Charlie's gonna be like in the next coming days and weeks, because by the time we get towards late September and early October, guys, things will start getting pretty busy, especially when we getting towards late September. So if you like these details, if y'all like these detailed videos I'm doing my channel, please smash the like button, hit that bell notification so you don't miss another upload. So let's get right towards the video. So looking at on Charlie Tips on the whole side. You can see, guys, you have the lake looking at the wild lava line ocean right now. Not much going on right now. Besides, we got tropical storm for land that's out in the Northland that's spinning out, but that we expect to turn out to sea and threaten nobody but fish, and they expect the weekend down too. This was a Charlie's disturbance, but no longer on the National Hurricane Center, and potential for more Charlie's coming out the coast of Africa by the time we get towards late August and early September. So, and I'm going to tell you why things are going to be pretty quiet until late September. So, yeah, so looking at gold satellite on Charlie Tips, guys, on this next hurricane, you can see it does not look impressive. Like it does not look like a tropical storm to me, but still a very big system, not a big system, a big thunderstorm and heavy rain taking place in the system right now. So this does like just showers of thunderstorms, but that's not like a tropical storm to me. So yeah. Now as we right towards National Hurricane Center. National Hurricane Center is striking for land that has winds up to 35 to 40 miles per hour, pressure down to 9 to 10. Now it's millbars and moving northeast at 10 to 12 miles per hour. Now let's get right towards the models, because this is going to be impressive. Look at this. So what the Charles will in the next coming days. So by the time we get into towards late August, guys, things will be pretty quiet. But look at this, guys. By the time we get towards early September, things should be quiet. But look at this. We might, by the time we get towards September 5th, September 6th, guys, September 7th, September 10th. Look at this. The potential for our next chart wave that might form up. Look at this. A strong chart wave starts forming up too. A strong wave coming off the coast of Africa. And look at this, guys. This starts stringing up pretty fast. So yeah, and look at this, September 9th, September 10th, guys, the peak of hurricane season. You can see this, a big storm system we have to watch. So, yes, we gotta watch, guys. Even though this might be a fish storm, still something we can watch. This system still can go far west and get pushed back towards the west because of this ridge of high pressure that's in place. That's going to steer it westward. Now, why things will now? What's us Mars showing it? The Canadian Mars showing it. So let's see if the Canadian Mars showing it. The Canadian Mars not showing it, but this only goes out to the field. So this only goes out 234 hours, 240 hours out. So yeah. And how about the GFS? The GFS is not showing it too. GFS not showing it situation. I mean, to go out to the tent real quick. The GFS showing a little bit, but not significantly as the European model is showing. The European, also, guys, if I go back, the European model also developed this up to a hurricane. You see this? The European model wants a hurricane just off the coast of Africa. I mean, a couple hundred miles off the coast of Africa. You can see this, and not 87 down, 819, 87 millbars yet. So then we have to watch. So now, while things will be pretty quiet for a while, but thanks for this, one thing you can have for hurricanes is windshield. You cannot have windshield for chocolate developing, because if you get too much windshield, it will mess up the chocolate developing. So you can't have windshield. So by the time we get into late August, early September, guys, you see very strong high windshield that's being placed right now. So this is gonna be keeping things pretty quiet for a while. And look at this, by the time we get towards early September, still gonna be pretty quiet for a while until we get in towards mid-September and late September. So now looking at another reason why things will be pretty quiet for a while is you can't have dry air. Dry air is like poison to hurricanes. You can't have a lot of dry air in it, so please be aware for that. So by the time we get towards early September, guys, you can see. By the time you get towards late September, by the time you get towards late August and early September, guys, you can see there's going to be a lot of dry air that's going to be in place right now. So that's going to be keeping things pretty unfavorable for tropical development, at least for the next 2 weeks until we get towards mid to late September. So Yes, a lot of dry areas will be in place. Now looking at unwanted nerves. What are unwanted nerves, guys? You have to watch this system right here that might develop. You can see this, guys. That chart way between September 5th and September 10th, guys. That's how it should develop. It does, and models does show it. So you can see this. Most we got like 20 couple models, 20 something models are showing this chart system developing. So something we have to watch, guys. Something we have to watch. Now let's get on to sea surface temperatures. Sea surface temperatures right now, guys, is showing this. So the Gulf of Mexico, guys, right now it's running pretty warm right now. You can see it. Now this area, the reason why this area is right here is cooled off is because of Hurricane Hurricane Aaron that cooled off the southwestern leg. So that's why this portion of the leg is cooler. But besides that, guys, it's very warm up here, guys, towards Europe. And boy, look at the Gulf of Mexico, look at the Mediterranean region. I mean, pretty warm, especially off the coast of Africa. You got anomalies anywhere from 1.2 to 2 Celsius degrees above average. The Gulf of Mexico is running 1 to 2 Celsius degrees above average, and the Caribbean is running very warm too. And even look at the sea surface temperatures. You can see it's pretty warm in the Gulf. We still lose a lot of that warm, but still pretty warm. Anywhere from 29 to 30 Celsius degrees above. Not 30 Celsius. Anywhere from 20 to 30 Celsius degrees waters. You got very warm towards the Keys. The Caribbean is pretty warm. The Southwestern Atlantic is pretty warm, and even the Mediterranean region is pretty warm. So anything in this Yall is support enough for hurricanes. So, and we are way above that. So please be aware for that. So now look at this. Oh, guys, I'll be back. Alright, guys, sorry about that. There was background noise. I had to, there was background noise, so I had to shut my door. So yeah, I'm back. So now, looking at this. So looking at the chocolate storm probabilities, which is what's in the chocolate storm, guys. So looking at this, you can see between September 1st and September 1st and September 8th, guys, you can see we do get a chance of charge development that might take place at parts of the middle Atlantic, guys. And look at this. September 8th to September 15th, guys, you see the chance of chocolate storm probabilities get pretty high. September 15th to September 22nd. September 22nd, guys, you can see this. The chocolate storm probabilities get pretty high, anywhere from a 10 to 20% chance of chocolate storm formation, especially in the Mediterranean region, in the North Atlantic, in the Mid-Central Atlantic. But look at this, the Central Atlantic and the Mediterranean region, chocolate storm probabilities get pretty high, and especially in the Gulf, guys, the chocolate storm probabilities get pretty high too. So we have to watch, guys, too, that could form in the Gulf between September 22nd and September 25th. I mean, not September 25th, September 29th. Looking at this, guys, looking at this reported thing. This thing is showing that, yeah, between September 3rd and September 15th, we got a potential for a 20% chance of formation in the Mediterranean region. But look at this, guys, it gets even more bigger. Between September 10th and September 16th, guys, we do got a 40% chance, a high chance, between September 10th and September 16th for a child formation. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.